Whether you record a Teams meeting or gameplay on your computer, you may need to learn how to record screen and audio on Mac. Screen recording isn't difficult, but you need to know which tool is best for this simple task. So let's dive in. The built-in QuickTime Player of Mac is indeed an excellent screen recording software. Find QuickTime Player, right-click and select New Screen Recording to start recording. But you will find that the video it records has no sound, which is really a very tricky thing. And the solutions we searched on the internet do not seem to be suitable for novices. So I recommend you to use Focusee as a professional screen recording software, in addition to easily record screen and audio on Mac. Focusee can automatically track and capture mouse clicks to reduce your post-editing work, whether it is a demonstration, tutorial, product launch, or other video. Focusee helps you provide fascinating videos and improve your promotion success rate. Now, we will show you how to use Focusee. Step 1. Free download Focusee on your computer and launch it. Step 2. Check the small speaker icon on the right and make sure it is turned on. At the same time, you can also turn on the external microphone and webcam above so that you can record your voice and face while recording the screen. Focusee supports 3 recording modes: record the full screen, custom the recording area, or record the window. You can choose the one you want to record. Now you can start recording. When you are done recording the screen, click the stop button and your recording will be saved directly. Step 3. You can focus on capturing your screen recording, and Focusee will automatically handle the post-production. After recording, you can further customize the output by changing the background, adjusting the cursor style, video size, editing the zoom effect, and applying other enhancements to create a polished, professional video. Why people choose Focusee? The following are the main features of Focusee: automatic pan and zoom, captivating pro-level edits, 2x highlighting with spotlight, rich cursor styles and click effects, convenient sharing options, automatic caption generation, dual system compatibility. What's more, Focusee can easily record demos and tutorials, promo and launch videos, pitch and sales videos. Download Focusee now to experience more screen recording features. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.